Okay, hey, so today in Jamar, someone's there saying glitch shark shop through portal in my den, which was this person. So I went to their den, went through the portal, took me here, and they're calling this a glitched shark shop, and they're selling them for this much. So basically it's a headless shark, I found out. There was a person here before. Where'd they go? Them. They said that. See, headless sharks aren't worth anything. You can get them through a glitch. So that you get them through a glitch, apparently. I will try and look into this glitch to see how you can actually do it. I mean, they do look pretty cool. Oh my god, people are actually buying them. Oh no, because there was more before. Don't buy them. So, I actually want to try and look up how you do it. So, I'll just have a quick look, see if I can see it now. Hang on a minute. So I found this. So, headless sharks with recent updates. So they're the ones getting hacked in. A new glitch. Let's have a look. Pet shark. Go back. Oh, two back. Actually, see YouTube. Headless shark glitch. AJ. How to get glitched underwater pets in Animal Jam headless sharks. This was made 1 week ago. Let's have a quick look at this. Oh, what the? I don't want to watch the whole video. Might have to though. Can't hear it. Hang on a minute. How do I look at them? How come before I could look at the shark? Now I can't. Yes. How'd they do it though? So you just put the accessories on. Where did they go into the... Oh, they went to that place. What's that place? The... So we want to go there. I betcha it's not on. So... everyone's here. Oh, why? Okay, I'm gonna try again later when this is on. Is it the pets only party or is it plays your pet? Anyway, I'm not too sure. Oh, I just got locked. Well, I'm not too sure, so I'm going to have a play around with it later when the party's on, which is, if it's that one, it's in, say, an hour, and if it's the other one, it's 4 hours, nearly 5 hours. So I'm going to play with that and see. Yeah, if it's true or not, because they did have a lot there, didn't they? I have a feeling it's a scam because since you had to go through the portal, people really want these mailboxes or something. So they're all with a different colour. You just never know what you're going to find in the shops. Just hate when there's too many. Oh, that reminds me, I wanted to make a aquarium den, like on Playwild. Well, yeah. Actually, I might quickly check. I forgot how to do it. Okay, here we go. Check this. Nothing new. And I haven't been to here for a while. Whoa. Whoa. That's a first. He said he was smelly. Okay, smells something. Oh, we got some drama here. Okay. Quickly check this shop. Genies are in. Don't get scammed by these things if somebody tells you it's glitched. Do the colour, they got the no magenta-y ones. Okay, just have a quick look at the shops now. Since I can't do anything about the shark glitch at the moment, but I will definitely do that today. Shop for your den. Oh, that's so cute. Falling snow. These are actually really cute. Oh, that's gonna look good. Sad geometry. I need two of them. Oh, I like that. Well, they're actually really cool. That. There. Didn't look as good as I thought. But I love this chair. Dang. Dang, dang, dang. Could be like... Nope. Oh, where did I put it? Oh, put it here. Be like... Oh, they need to bring out little... Do you know what would be really cool? Secret den item would be the elf on the shelf. A little elf. How cool would that be? Pretty sure this is the item at the moment, isn't it? But how cool would that be, a little elf on the shelf? Oh, that'd be so cool. I think it was the stocking. Maybe I should do this den as my Christmas one. An octopus? I don't think I have the octopus banner. Do I have the octopus banner? What? It's an octopus banner? Oh. No. Alright, I'm going to wrap it up there, but that is shattering. I do not have an octopus one. I didn't even know that was a thing. It is one of those banners, isn't it? Where was it? I can't believe it. It is. Oh, I need that. If anybody sees one of them, please tell me. Alright, I'm going to wrap that up. I'll be back later to do the shark thing. Alright? Alright, ciao.